So today, because obviously we know that we didn't go to church, so I'm thinking to do something for you and God. Oh, so at church we have they call it Come Follow Me. So we have monthly lessons that we do each and every Sunday. So I'm gonna do one of them with you, but it should be short. I don't know how am I gonna make it short. You see, and then yeah, we can take it from there, and then we're gonna talk, gonna explain to you, you know. Hi guys, we're back at it again. So as I said, we could see today, since I wasn't able to do a vlog and I wasn't able to go to church because it was raining, I thought of doing a second session lesson with you. Hi guys, we're back at it again. So as I said, so we actually find today, since I wasn't able to do it, so luckily we don't only have an app, but we have the book. I thought of doing a second of what kind of second session lesson with you, which is called Come Follow Me. So we actually find let's check it. So luckily we don't only have an let's app. See if but we have the book as well. So it's gonna 22 March. No, it's only 16 to 22 March. I hope you can see it. So we find it in 84. As I said, which I'm not gonna like read everything because it's long. It's gonna take time. Cover it. You see? Find it in but he got 84. As I said, which I'm not gonna like read everything because it's long. It's gonna take time. He could easily have taken revenge on his brothers, and considering what they had done to Joseph, that might seem understandable, and yet Joseph forgave them, you know. Not only that, but he helped them see divine purpose in his suffering. God meant it unto good. So he told them, because it put him in position to save all his father's household from famine. In many ways, Joseph was like Jesus Christ, even though our sins caused Jesus great sufferings. He offers forgiveness, delivering all of us from a fate far worse than famine, humiliation. So, today we are actually learning about the reconciliation and healing. You understand, forgiveness and all that. So I don't know if you guys know the story saga Joseph and his brothers, what they did to him. Ubababo bekabathumile ukuthi bahambe bayodinga ukudla e-Egypt. Bahamba bonke as brothers, and then, if I'm saying it right, I'm not perfect. I mean, I'm still new in this journey. Then they saw oh, guys, this is hard. As with the Pharaoh or ban, but those people they actually sold Joseph because Joseph was like their father's favorite, like ubaba bathengele Joseph ijezi elinamakhalas amahle nje amaningi, and then the brothers got jealous. So I think because of that they thought that they wanna do some sort of a revenge and just leave him there, babona ukuthi uzowenze njani. So they saw a chance, kwafika abantu laphayana bathi bona bacela into ekanje nakanje 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 bazo-exchange ngobhuti wabo, you understand. So ba-exchange ngojoseph, ujoseph wasala lapho bebefuna ukumbulala kahle kahle. Lo munye athi no, don't kill him, rather simshiye lana. Angazi ukuthi then they went back home, ma befika bacamba amanga ukuthi angazi ujoseph wenzeni khetha ukusala lapho ushonile. Oh, bathe udliwe ama-wolves, what, yes, bathe udliwe ama-animals, baqamba amanga kuba basically besekashonile. when they say that. Kanti after some few years again, it happened that basafara futhi nobaba babathu mathi guys bengicela niphinde libuyele laphana e-Egypt kune-king lapho okuthiwa ikhona niyothola ukudla lapho uma befika kanti abazi bona ukuthi i-king leyo ubhuti wabo uJoseph yabo because sekakhulile. And then only to find out ukuthi kanti bekuJoseph, you know. And then now we find out, oh, but they didn't even find out. Yeah, now Joseph, he was the one who find out who type of these are actually my brothers. You see, he was able to recognize them. You understand? And then bahambile lapho njengoba bahambile bahamba nobhuti wabo. And then ngoba bekafuna ucheck ukuthi they really changed before revealing himself athi in order for me to give you this, you guys need to sacrifice one of your brothers. And then get sabona ukuthi ahambise uBenjamin, but unfortunately bekumele ahambe. Futhi ngikhuluma wrong lento ukuze kahle kahle babuye back. These people uJoseph batshela athi manifuna lento le hambani thatha ubhuti wenu omncane nize naye. Bamthatha bahamba naye. Babefika kuyena asho-ke ukuthi hayi you guys need to choose ukuthi kuyontakala kanje nakanje nakanje bona bathini. UJacob athi no, it's fine, you can take me, leave my brother alone. Khana bona ukuthi oh okay, kusho ukuthi they actually changed, you know. So he decided that he's just gonna forgive him just like that. Now understand, like it was really bad. And now sometimes I feel like okay, case closed, because now I don't want to be long, right? So let's just talk, because I'm not gonna go through all of this. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what we are talking about. So now I feel like this happened because of God's plan. It was his plan ukuthi uJoseph abe kule situation. Sometimes God just put you in certain situations just to see how strong you are, or just to show his miracles unto you, you know. Phela unto uyithe immediately makaba lapho ube nenhlanhla yokuthi avele nje abe king. He lived a nice wealthy life, you know, like, and it was unplanned while abanye bebecabanga ukuthi ushonile. And then he decided that because he saw how great God was, he decided to forgive them. So this is a message to you that whoever did you wrong, you need to forgive them. I am as well suffering from forgiving people that did me wrong, but since I've read this, I've realized that life is too short, and we're not really counting our blessings that much. So we need to learn on how to forgive other people, to reconcile, to heal, you know, because